Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about difference between Kali Linux and Ubuntu. So let's get started the video. Kali Linux and Ubuntu are two popular operating systems, each with its own unique feature and target audience. While they share similarity as Linux-based operating system, they serve different purposes and cater to different user needs. Kali Linux is primarily designed for cybersecurity professionals, penetration testers, and digital forensics experts. It's come pre-installed with a wide range of security tools and utility, making it a powerful platform for conducting security assessment, vulnerability testing, and ethical hacking. Kali Linux focuses on providing a robust environment for testing and analyzing security of network and system. Its tools include penetration testing tool, forensics tool, network analysis tool, and more, making it an invaluable resource for professionals in the cybersecurity field. Ubuntu, on the other hand, is a more general purpose Linux distribution that is suitable for a wide range of users, including beginner, developer, and enterprise users. It offers a user-friendly interface and a large software repository, making it easy to install and use various applications. Ubuntu is known for its stability, reliability, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for desktop user and server deployment, while Ubuntu does include some basic security tools and features. It is not specifically tailored for cybersecurity professionals like Kali Linux. In terms of user interface, Ubuntu typically comes with a GNOME desktop environment by default, although other desktop environments such as KDE, Plasma, XSpace are also available. Kali Linux, on the other hand, uses the GNOME desktop environment with a customized theme and layout optimized for security professionals. Additionally, Kali Linux features Kali Linux menu that provide easy access to its extensive collection of security tools. Another key difference between Kali Linux and Ubuntu is their release cycle and update policies. Ubuntu follows a regular release cycle, with a new version being released every 6 months and long-term support. Version being support for 5 years. This ensures users have access to the latest features and updates on a regular basis. In contrast, Kali Linux follows a rolling releasing model with update and new features being continuously integrated into the distribution. This allows Kali Linux users to always have access to the latest tool and security updates without the need to upgrade to a new version. In last, while both Kali Linux and Ubuntu are Linux-based operating systems, they serve different purposes and cater to different user needs. Kali Linux is catered toward security professionals and offer a wide range of security tools and utilities, while Ubuntu is a general-purpose distribution suitable for a wide range of user and application. Ultimately, the choice between Kali Linux and Ubuntu depends on specific requirement and perseverance of the user. So now it is your choice. I have already explained Kali Linux and Ubuntu, which operating system you can use. So that's all in this video. If you like the video, Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching the video.